will, on the Republican Party. And everybody's kind of like, okay, fine. If that's what you want to do, do it. But I think a united front will be a lot more powerful in the long run. A united front is where we need to be. We've learned in the 2016 and now 2024 elections, if we're not united, they will beat us. If the GOP loses the House or the Senate, you are really looking at devastation.
Right. All right, guys, we got War Rhino. We're here at Student Action Summit. How's the event going so far for you?
So far, good, man. It's a lot of people here, a lot of crowd.
Yeah, a lot of attractive people here, right?
Oh, geez Louise, man.
Would you rather date a liberal woman or an illegal immigrant?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Well, illegal immigrants are a lot of Latinas, so I'd have to go with the illegal immigrant over a liberal woman.
Yeah,
because some of those liberal women, you don't know if they're a man or a woman, or you can't even fit them in your front seat of your car.
Yeah. Have you ever dated a liberal in the past?
Oh gosh, I prefer not to say, but I may have. The old Bill Clinton. I may have, but I did not inhale.
Damn. We'll leave it at that. What's new with you, man?
Oh, dude, just getting ready. Big announcement coming soon in the next about 2 months.
Yeah.
Big things coming. We're about to blow the doors off some people in California.
Let's go. What's going down? A little teaser, right?
Little teaser. Let's just put it this way. You might see my name on a lot of conservative posters soon.
Ooh, all right. lot going down in Cali, man. Gavin Newsom just got hit with the Title VI.
Oh, thank goodness. It's about time. I'm really glad Newsom got hit with that. It's about time somebody really brings Newsom's evil totalitarian group to the surface.
Yeah.
And they're about to drop so much stuff on him. I can't wait. The fact that he's running for president now and campaigning while our state doesn't even have housing in the Palisades, and now just approved yesterday, I believe, an 8-figure donation for the Palisades, unfortunately, for low-income housing. Wait, what are we doing?
Crazy. Yeah, I know. As a former fighter, when you see these transgender people boxing, it must piss you off.
Oh my gosh. I actually am friends with one on social media. Met her at the, her, him, whatever it wants to be. I met him at the MMA awards.
Yeah.
Rad person. Will only box men or other transgender people. I'm all for that. Will not fight. He will not fight another female. And I love that. And I'm okay, cool. And Adam Hunter said it the best. If they want to beat each other up, let them beat each other up.
Yeah. I mean, people were in the Olympics winning medals.
That's disgusting because I fought for this country. I fought for the red, white, and blue. I believe in red, white, and blue. And when you don't know what sex you are and you don't know what's between your legs, if you can stand in a mirror and you have to tuck it, you are not a female.
What do you think of this whole America First movement?
There's a lot of weirdness going on right now, and especially with with Elon, now breaking away and trying to start his own political movement. If we look at the social network of America, it's always been a two-party with a third party kind of on the side.
Yeah,
there's no room. The Libertarian Party as a whole has gotten about, I think, 2.5% of a vote in the last 40 years. I don't think the America First movement is going to make great waves. There's no real players signing up for it. Even the ones that are signing up for it are people that have turned their back on the MAGA movement, if you will, on the Republican Party. And everybody's kind of like, okay, fine. If that's what you want to do, do it. But I think a united front will be a lot more powerful in the long run. A united front is where we need to be. We've learned in the 2016 and now 2024 elections, if we're not united, they will beat us. And in 26, if we're not united again, when we go into that fight, it's going to be very scary. If the GOP loses the House or the Senate, you are really looking at devastation.
Right. There's a lot of division right now with the Epstein stuff, too. It's causing the party to really fragment.
Alex Jones said it this morning, and my good friend James O'Keefe has evidence and is supposed to be releasing some stuff. That's what Alex Jones said this morning. And, James, I love him to death. James is always about the truth. If James doesn't have some stuff, then all for it. But unfortunately, Pam Bondi, we were so energetic to get her into office. She has dropped the ball. She promised us Epstein files, had all the social media influencers there showing this Epstein binder that was all blacked out. They've promised us, just boom, 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 prosecutions. What have we seen? We haven't seen anything.
Right.
Dan this morning, acting FBI director, walked out of his office this morning because of Pam Bondi.
Damn.
And took the day off to cool off. And
all right, guys, Sean Kelly here, host of the Digital Social Hour podcast. Just filmed 33 amazing episodes at Student Action Summit. Shout out to Code Health, sponsor these episodes, but also I took them before filming each day. Felt amazing. Just filmed 20 episodes straight, and I'm not even tired, honestly. So Code Health, amazing products. I also take these at home, especially when I traveled. I used to get sick every time I flew, and I started taking that. First time, I haven't had a runny nose, knock on wood. One standout element, it's so easy. You got the travel pack here, but you could just take this, fit it in your pocket if you need to. Also, all natural, like only saline solution in there. So you don't got to worry about any crazy side effects or anything. Yeah, Code's unique. With supplements, there's a lot of who knows what's in those ingredients. Code Health, I haven't seen much like this, where it's just based off the codes that are in the saline solution. So I would say they're very unique. It's going to be the future of health and medicine. Code Health has been awesome.
Feel the drop and go code yourself.
And it's all over social media. He walked out of the White House today. That's not a good sign.
They must be feeling the heat and the hate. Dan and Cash and all those guys.
And poor Cash. I love Cash to death. And I think Cash means, but somebody somewhere has dirt on somebody.
Yeah.
I don't know who it is, bro, but that stuff's going to come out. I don't know who it is that has this dirt. And I'm curious what the dirt is, what kind of backroom deals are going. But it's really sad because this is not what we voted for. We did not vote for backroom deals. We voted for transparency. We voted for prosecutions of these people that were doing backroom deals. And now we're sitting here in today's economy and today's world going, wait, this isn't the climate I wanted. And unfortunately now we're seeing Ukraine get more weapons. Like, whoa, Trump, whoa, bro. Like, what are you doing, buddy?
Yeah.
This is not what we voted for. I'm strictly against anything going to Ukraine. Let Russia and them fight it out by them dang selves. This is exactly what we voted against because of $160 billion going to Ukraine.
Yep.
This is not what we've signed up for.
Not at all. New vaccine approval, Moderna.
Oh my gosh. Moderna getting vaccine approval is absolutely atrocity. Why are you vaccinating children? Why are you shoving this stuff in our face? And how is Moderna still getting approvals? How are vaccines mandatory? We have seen nothing but atrocities happen to children, to grown adults. I lost friends, families that have died because of these vaccines. My good friend, who's a WWE superstar during 2020, gets the COVID vaccine and almost dies, loses his entire career, was in the NFL, was in WWE, loses his entire career because he gets the vaccine and almost dies. And WWE had to let him go because he could no longer have the stamina to go on.
Damn.
And you look at this and it's just atrocity. Vaccines are so experimental. Moderna getting an approval, it's almost as bad as the housing commission. The gentleman that was in charge of all the interest rates. How are you raising interest rates? We are dying as a community. And this community, Gen Z and millennials are feeling the blunt of all these people that cannot connect with us.
Yeah. Gen Z cannot afford a house right now.
Oh no. And it's really unfortunate. I look at my fiance and I freaking love her to death. Before I met her, I'm very fortunate to own 2 houses. I had a whole career prior that allowed me to do that. 99.8% of people can't afford 1 house. I'm very fortunate. I own 2, and she was like, wait, you own 2 houses? Looking at me like I'm a billionaire. And I'm like,
that's a flex these days.
Oh, dude, I'm flexing in San Diego County. I own 2 houses, but it's a very fortunate thing for me. And I just look at people and I'm like, yo, I will give you any financial advice I have. I may not be the best financial advisor, but I will help you however I can. It's sad because I want my daughter, my son to have houses. They won't unless I give them one.
Crazy, right? Because our parents had a house, they bought it for a couple $100,000. That was normal back in the day.
Jeez.
Now those houses are worth $500K to $1 million.
My first house, I remember my mom getting after we were living in a trailer home or darn near homeless my whole childhood. And first house was because my grandmother passed away. $62,000. She bought a house in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And I thought I was a billionaire, living in this old 1800s house.
1800s?
It was 1897 was the house was built in. And I thought I was a billionaire living in this house. It was one of the older houses in this neighborhood. And I thought I was a billionaire. And now I look back and I'm like, my gosh, I couldn't imagine these kids, being here in Tampa. I'm very fortunate. I'm at my business partner's condo overlooking the ocean. Like, I don't belong here.
Yeah.
It's just crazy where I came from. But I'm here to show people, no matter what happens in life, you can always step up, rise up, pick your chin up, and push. And you should always bring everybody with you.
Yeah. Was there specific moments you remember along the way that really got you to the next level?
The Tri-Light from Therasage is no joke. Medical grade red and near infrared light with 3 frequencies per light, deep healing, real results, and totally portable. It's legit. Photo biomodulation tech in a flexible on-body panel. This is the Tri-Light from Therasage and it's next level red light therapy. It's got 118 high-powered polychromatic lights, each delivering 3 healing frequencies, red and near infrared from 580 to 980 nanometers. Optimal penetration, enhanced energy, skin rejuvenation, pain relief, better performance, quicker recovery, and so much more. Therasage has been leading the game for over 25 years and this panel is FDA listed and USB powered. Ultra soft and flexible and ultra portable. On-body red light therapy I use daily and I take it everywhere I travel. This is the Thera O3 ozone module from Therasage. It's a portable ozone and negative ion therapy in one. It boosts oxygen, clears and sanitizes the air, and even helps your mood. It's a total game changer at home or on the go. This little device is the Thera O3 ozone module by Therasage, and it's one of my favorite wellness tools. In the sauna, it boosts ozone absorption through your skin up to 10 times, oxygenating your blood and supporting deep detox. Outside the sauna, it purifies the air, killing germs, bacteria, viruses, and mold, and it improves mood and sleep with negative ion therapy. It's compact, rechargeable, and perfect for travel, planes, offices, hotel rooms, you name it. It's like carrying clean energy wherever you go. This is a Thera H2 Go from Therasage, the only bottle with molecular hydrogen structured water and red light in one. It hydrates, energizes, and detoxes water upgraded. The Thera H2 Go from Therasage isn't just a water bottle, it's next level hydration. It infuses your water with molecular hydrogen, one of the most powerful antioxidants out there. That means less oxidative stress, more energy, and faster recovery. But here's what makes it stand out. It's the only bottle that also structures your water and adds red light to supercharge it. It's sleek, portable, and honestly, I don't go anywhere without it. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the show a lot with the algorithm. Thank you.
Specific moment that really got me to the next level was never saying no, always saying yes to any opportunity. I've failed more than I've succeeded. I've lived in my car 3 times. I've been a millionaire 4 times. If that tells you anything, you just can't stay down. Every time you fall down, you need to stand back up. There's no such thing as quitting. If you are comfortable with quitting, then don't come around me. You don't belong to eat at my table. I'm okay if you're broke. I'll buy, like Sean, if you say all of a sudden you fell on your face and you're like, Shane, I need a place to stay. No problem, bro. Why? Because I know people like you are willing to stand up and say, hey, I may not have it now, but I'll get it in a year. Brandon Moreno said it the best. I may not have it yesterday, may not have it today, may not have it tomorrow, but I will have it. And that's the best way to put it. And he became the world champion after being cut from the UFC. And that's the best thing. You just have to have that mentality to always go out and never accept anything that isn't what you want.
Bars. Let's end it there. We
There
can't
we
get
go.
much better than that, dude. We'll link your stuff below.
Appreciate it.
Check them out, guys.